Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It has page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is gratitude. Gratitude is an attitude. The smallest source of joy and gratification can blossom and skyrocket you right into your blessings. When you're grateful for the small things, the tiny things, when all your needs are met, because at this moment, all your needs are met. Now you're transitioning to your wants. But you know what speeds the process and your journey of getting to your wants? Being happy for the little that you have, praising as if you have the mansion, praising as if you have all the wants in the world. That's when Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Spirit just says, wow, I see you praise for the minimum. Well, let me give you a lot because I know you'll be even louder and you'll be even more genuine. I'm aware of my light in my life, and I direct thoughts to give beauty in and around me. I give thanks to God for every little thing that brings me joy. Thus, I enlighten my thoughts. Riches surround me, and I appreciate all that life brings me. When you show appreciation, life just starts to feed you more things to be appreciative and grateful for. Gratitude is an attitude. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.